Great architecture is the perfect balance between functionality and artistic beauty. And since 1975, nobody has done this better than Fuglark. At the forefront of innovative architecture, Fuglark's workshop of creativity allows the staff to push the limits of modern technology, creating both highly efficient and artistic designs at their Klaksvík location. From private clients to governments, the company handles housing projects to entire educational facilities. With a focus on the future, Fuglark strives to incorporate environmentally friendly ideas, resulting in designs that are unique to the local geography and culture. With both bachelor's and master's degrees in architecture, the staff combines formal training with years of field experience, allowing Fuglark to find unique solutions to the most complex designs. Inspired innovation, experience the difference of Fuglark.